Hey everybody, it's Jim again from The Arrangement. It's summertime in the city, and you know what that means, barbecue. We've got Memorial Day followed by Father's Day, and then we swing right into the 4th of July, so you're gonna have all kinds of people at the house. So how do you handle it? How do you set it up? The most important thing you could do is to just know that people are gonna be everywhere, and they don't necessarily have to have a dining room table to eat. Just a place to plop down. It's going to be small groups of people, so the more open space you have, the more additional seating you can pull in, the more freestyle you make it, the more comfortable you'll be hosting the party. Make sure that barbecue's hot, make sure it's easy, and serve yourself. And most important, don't forget you're supposed to have a good time. Okay, so the payoff, the end of the evening, things get quiet, bellies get full, people are laughing, smiling, it's a success. I hope your holiday's as great as mine. Come see us at The Arrangement.